Hi everyone! Welcome to EduHouse YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn and you will see how to make Mozaic the Pisces. Do you know what Pisces is? Yes, it's related to fish. Pisces is known since ancient times as the representation of a fish or a pair of fish. And Pisces is the plural Latin name for fish. So you're gonna see how to draw a fish, but it's unusual fish, so it's a special fish. Why is it special? You have to continue to watch this video. These are what you need when you want to make Mozaic the Pisces. You need a piece of paper, and then if you don't have a clean paper, you can use scrap paper, you can use the blank part, and then for coloring you can use crayon or watercolor or color pencils, and then for drawing you can use pencil. Marker is better for permanent marker, and then if you don't have marker you can use pen. And I will show you how to make the patterns. So Mozaic the Pisces, so you will draw a fish with many kinds of patterns, and this is the first pattern. You can follow how I make this pattern. It's like when you want to draw a quarter of circle, and then you just need to repeat the pattern. Repeat it again and again. And then the second pattern is you just need to draw straight lines. And this is the third pattern. Just draw zigzag. And then just follow the first pattern. And for the fourth pattern, this is the easiest one because you just need to make dots as many as you want. And then the next pattern, you just need to make like squares, but it's not totally squares. And then you give dot. And for the next pattern, it's almost like the first pattern, but it's like you make a square. And for the next pattern, it's like spiral, so just draw a lot of spirals. By the way, do you know the name of this art? The art when you can draw a lot of patterns in one drawing. So the name of this art is Zentangle. Zentangle art is spontaneous and free-flowing, so you can focus on each stroke and not worry about the result. You can move beyond the small tiles and get creative with bigger drawings or different shapes. And this is the last pattern that I will use for the Mozaic the Pisces. So you just need to draw straight lines, and then you can draw like triangles. So yeah, these are the patterns that I will use for Mozaic the Pisces. And I'm drawing the fish. Just draw any fish you want. So the most important thing to mention is that you don't need to be artistic or good at drawing. You don't need any prior art experience at all. Just the willingness to try. If you want to try and follow my drawing, for example, and follow the patterns, and then it will be easy for you to draw this mosaic the Pisces or Zentangle art. Yeah, I will use the dots one. For the next pattern, I will use the first pattern. The patterns may look complicated, but once they're broken down and you learn how to do them step by step, you will see how simple and easy this art is. So there are no mistakes in Zentangles or in making mosaic the Pisces. Just draw any patterns you want. If you don't want to follow me, just use your own patterns. It's free. So my mosaic the Pisces has finished and I'm going to draw like under the sea, so pretend that this is the coral reef and the seaweed. and then you can draw bubbles to show that the fish is in the water. And after this, I will show you 3 ways to color this. The first one, I use crayon. If you don't have any crayons, you can use color pencils or watercolor. After this, I also will show you how I color this Mozaic the Pisces with color pencils and watercolor. You can color with any color you want. Just combine any color. If you want to color this with watercolor, make sure that you use a pen or permanent marker. If you use the usual marker, the ink will smudge. Okay, that's the way how you make Mozaic the Pisces. If you have finished making your Mozaic the Pisces, don't forget to post it on Instagram and then you can tag and mention EduHouse ID. Okay, we're looking forward to your result, to your Mozaic the Pisces. Okay, and one more, if you draw, don't be afraid when you want to make any pattern you want. And I have one tip. If you want to find more patterns, you can find on Google, and then the keyword is you can type Zentangle, okay? And you will see a lot of patterns that you can, you can explore yourself to draw more patterns. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.